Soba uchi, or making soba noodles. Soba crops are harvested, threshed, ground, and then they become buckwheat. Then the buckwheat is put in a big mixing bowl and some water is added. After the water is thoroughly mixed with the buckwheat, the dough will gradually be made into one big ball. This ball is rolled out carefully. Using a rolling pin specially designed for rolling out soba dough, the ball should be rolled out as thin as possible. Finally, the dough is folded and cut into noodle shape with a soba knife called Soba bocho. This process is known as soba uchi. Let's enjoy soba noodles in Tokamachi City.